Hi everyone, Greg here. Well, here I am in Singapore, and today I've decided to come and try some Japanese food. Now today we're at Tori Q, and Tori Q is a pretty famous Japanese chain here in Singapore that sells yakitori. Now what is yakitori? Well, yakitori is bits of meat grilled on a stick, and Tori Q does it really well. Now another good thing about Tori Q is that you can actually watch them preparing and making all the food. They got lots of different contraptions and machines to help make the food for them to get each and every piece exactly the same as the one before. So let's try some Tori Q food. Now Tori Q is pretty famous for their bento sets. And what's a bento set? Well, it's just a set of the skewers, the yakitori skewers with some rice. So I've got one here, let's take a look. Alright, so here's the box here. It's got some good weight about it. And here, 100% pure Japanese rice. Alright, let's go. Wow, have a look at that. How good does that look? So I'll start off with the chicken balls here. Pretty big, aren't they? It's like minced chicken on a stick, wrapped up in balls. Really juicy, and they taste really good. It's coated in the yakitori sauce. What's yakitori sauce? Well, if you know, let me know down below, because I don't know. Do you know? I don't. But it's a little bit sweet, but it's a little bit savoury. I'm guessing umami sort of flavours. Really good, I like that. Now here we've got chicken skin. Oh yeah, I love my chicken skin. Oh. Wow, just pure fat. You can really taste the charcoal-y flavour in that, but 100% skin, 100% flavour. It's pretty good. So here we've got pork on a stick. Let's give this one a go. Almost tastes like fish, but pretty nice. Good and chewy too. Makes me feel like a man. Now here we've got just a normal chicken on a stick. Ooh. Anything on a stick I love. You can really taste the seaweed with this. The chicken remains juicy. There's not much flavour there actually. Could do with a little more salt, fellas. And last but not least, we got the tontoro pork. This is a limited edition. It looks pretty nice. Now the tontoro pork is usually the cheek or the neck meat or the jowl. I don't even know what the jowl is, but I'll stick it in my mouth anyway. Oh, that's chewy. Very porky. Slightly bland. A little bit sweet, but not too sweet at all. In fact, it's quite savoury. Now I haven't been eating these correctly. What you're supposed to do is scrape it off onto the rice and eat it with the rice. So how about I try some of this rice, because I tell you what, it looks awesome. It's covered in seaweed and looks like some maybe Japanese soy, and there's also some pickles in there as well. Now this rice seems really sticky. Create a crater in there. Yeah. Just tastes like a warm sushi roll. The sushi tastes really good, and whatever sauce is on there, maybe teriyaki, I don't know, but it's nice and chewy, and there's plenty of it. Let's try one of these pickles. Special Japanese pickles. Pickled what though? I don't know. Could be cabbage, could be pears. I'm not too sure, but it's nice and salty, vinegary, and pretty good. Anyway, listen, how about before I go, I try this the proper way and mix a bit of the meat with the rice. Got to do things properly here, don't we? What a great feed. And this set, normally you get about 4 sticks, but we got an extra stick to try something else. But it's between $7 and $8 for all of this. Pretty good, huh? And really worth a try. So, next time you're in Singapore, make sure you head to Tori Q for some really good, authentic Japanese cuisine. It's nice and cheap, it's filling, it's pretty healthy, I'm guessing. Might not be, so don't quote me on that. But it's really good, really tasty, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time the show comes to town. Catch you then. Oh yeah.